So I was just at a great talk down in Chicago on Friday about outpatient total joint replacement. And my talk specifically was on how hospitals can work with employed physicians, and that the synergy between the two groups can actually make for a really very productive opportunity for both in the outpatient environment. But more than that, I just have to say that the talk itself was unbelievable. Usually when you give these, it's all physicians in the room. And in this particular instance, 50% of the attendees were actually other healthcare providers and people in the industry. And so I learned a lot. It was very insightful. And I'd just like to thank Dr. Rich Berger for inviting me down, and Dr. Tad Gerlinger, who was one of my co-moderators of a session on a panel. And I think what we're talking about in the outpatient environment is very exciting, and if it's done safely, can be very successful.